This the tree has unrooted. This tree because of cyclone here. It's a Zambaule. It's on the way, and it's almost 2 days now. No light here. Okay guys, I am at Rivona here now, and this is the junction, and this road will take me to the cave there, so I'll go there. Even there's one more cave there. It's a bigger one. Other side you can see the road from there, this road from here, and it's downhill, so I'll visit both caves there. First I will go here and I will see that one. Okay. And that's the temple. And this is the cave here. So I'll just go and try to show you guys. I can see, but you won't be able to see inside. Okay. There's a hole there, big down here. Inside. Okay, I'll go little bit down and try to show you. So guys, this is what they have here in Rivona. It's not allowed to go inside there. And this is what they have here. There's a long inside. They have something there, but you guys won't be able to see anything. There's the steps there inside the rocks, and it goes far away. Okay, this is what they have here. Okay, let's go to the other cave there. Let's see what we can see there as well. And this is Hard Hanuman. Okay, we'll go to that side. Okay, I'm back on the road now, so I'll take this road and try to see what we can see there. Okay. Maybe that side, then I can go from here. This side on the main road. Okay, we'll go there. Okay, rough road. I'll ride here. Kept my bike there. I couldn't ride on these rocks here. And this is the cave here. Over here. So we'll go and check it out. So this is the cave here. Lots of bats inside here. Maybe at night they come out. Okay, let's go. See on the top of this mountain here. So this is how it looks from here. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos. See you in the next video guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.